Hey guys, welcome to Blogging with Erica. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to find a niche for your blog. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and let's get started. So your first step, guys, is to make a list of your passion. Now with blogging, there's a lot of work included. And being able to create a blog post every single day for your audience is kind of like a job. And if you're not interested in what you're writing about, it's going to show in your work. Another reason why you want to make a list and find your passion is because you want to build an authority in a specific area or provide value to people who are trying to find answers to particular or specific questions. Step 2, guys, is to find which one actually excites you the most. So if you've created a list of 100 things that you're passionate about, you need to choose one. So step 3, guys, is to actually do your research, because no matter what your niche is about, no matter how interesting you think it is, if it's not profitable and if it's not something that people are looking for, you're just not going to do well with it online. One of the best ways to find out if your niche is actually being searched for online and if it's on an upward trend is by using Google Trends. So just go to Google and type in Google Trends and you want to select the first result. Once you're there, you just want to go ahead and type in a keyword or a topic or a niche that you're interested in. So let's say we want to use keto desserts as an example. Just type that in there and click on the search icon, or you can just click enter. Now once you're here, you want to go ahead and sort this out by 5 years, because we want to see how well this particular niche is doing on the internet. As you can see, it was very low and it began to climb, and it has continued to do so. So you know that your niche is actually something that people are searching for on the internet. Step number 4, guys, is to find a platform for your niche. So as a beginner blogger, you cannot afford to wait for Google to index your website to start driving traffic to your blog, because it actually takes up to 6 months to start seeing people coming in from Google and other search engines to your blog. And it actually depends on a lot of factors to get free traffic from search engines. It depends on your posts, your optimization, your SEO strategy, and so on and so forth. So as a beginning blogger, to be able to be profitable and get eyes onto your content, you need to find a specific platform for your type of niche. You see, as a beginner, you will need to use social media platforms to be able to drive traffic to your blog. And not every platform suits every type of niche. You have Reddit, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, and Instagram. And now each of these platforms have a specific type of audience. You need to go ahead and find a platform that will resonate to your type of niche or topic. So here we are on Reddit, guys. And as you can see here, the top communities on this platform, it's based around sports, gaming, news, television, memes, gifts, travel, technology, and all of that. So you need to, if you want to use Reddit as a platform to promote your blog or business, you will need to come on here and do your research and see what's actually working on this particular type of platform. If we go to Pinterest, you are going to see that the top category on this particular platform is in the entertainment, the DIY, the education, and the home decor. Now this changes every month or so, but these are the top categories that are always at the top on this particular platform. And here are the niches. If you go ahead and click on each one, like the DIY and crafts, it's going to give you the top performing niches on this type of platform as well. You need to have a business account to be able to access the analytics to get this kind of data, guys. But it's just an example to show you that every platform has its own type of niche. And with Instagram, guys, as you can see, it's all about images. Now, people grow huge Instagram accounts because they want to do influencer marketing and so on and so forth. But with sites like YouTube and Facebook, it really anything goes. So if you're in the cooking niche, you're in the baking or the sewing, whatever it is that you're in, you're going to find an audience on places like Facebook and YouTube. So while all of these platforms are excellent for driving traffic to your blog, I actually recommend that you go ahead and create a Pinterest business account to be able to get some of the data that I'm about to show you and how to getting the search volume for all of the different niches and which ones that you think you might be interested in. You can use this platform and use it as a base to continue your research to find other, profitable niches that you can get into. So go ahead and create a Pinterest account, and you just want to go on over to pinterest.com/categories, and it's going to get you to this page, but you need to be logged in. So let's say we want to talk about women's fashion. If you're interested in women's fashion, if you go ahead and open this up in a new window, you're going to see that women's fashion has over 11 million followers. So if you scroll at the bottom, you're going to see other sub niches here as well, and you have fashion trends and styling tips. So let's go ahead and open each one in a new window. As you can see here, fashion trends has 2.3 million followers, and styling tips has 642,000 followers on this particular platform. So if we actually search for fashion trends on Google Trends, you're going to see that this is a great niche for someone who loves fashion or is in the fashion category. And if you scroll down, you're also going to see that everything about fashion has breakout, 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 breakout. It's something that people are always searching for. This is an evergreen niche, and this is a kind of niche that could be very profitable. So if we go on over and we paste this into Google, we're going to see that this gets a lot of searches, and you're also going to see that there are other keywords that people actually search for. We'll go ahead and open up this one, fashion trends in 2020. As you can see, you have good search volume. So this is, an evergreen money or profitable niche that you can get into and sell affiliate products. You can drive traffic, make money with AdSense, and all of the different options that you could have when creating a blog. So step number 5, guys, is to actually go ahead and get my free list of all the different profitable niches in 2020. You're going to get over 417 niches that you can go through and decide which ones actually are going to work for your blog. Now, I've done the research, and I know that these niches are actually the top and most profitable niches in 2020 that you can actually use to set up a blog around a specific niche. This is 100% free, and there's going to be a link in the description below. You can go ahead and click on it and just download your free printables. Now these, you can also print them, or you can save them as a PDF in your computer or your phone. It doesn't really matter. You're going to have access to it as soon as you go ahead and enter in your email. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you next time.